Ever feel like there's a hidden layer to reality? Like the universe is holding back its biggest secrets? What if the very ground beneath our feet, the stars above our heads, are part of something far stranger, far more complex than we can possibly imagine? Prepare to have your mind stretched, perhaps even broken, because science is whispering about ideas that redefine everything. In the next few minutes, we're diving headfirst into 6 of the most unbelievable, reality-shattering theories about the cosmos. These aren't just abstract concepts, they're glimpses behind the curtain of existence, and each one will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. Get ready for a wild ride, because once you see these theories, you can't unsee them. And stick around till the very end, because you get to decide what mind-bending topic we explore in our next video. Don't click away, you won't want to miss this. First up, let's talk about the ultimate cosmic loneliness, or lack thereof. What if this isn't the only universe? Seriously. Forget science fiction for a second, because the multiverse theory is a mind-blowing idea that countless other universes might exist alongside our own. Imagine worlds where physics behaves differently, where history took a bizarre turn, or even worlds where another version of you is making completely different choices right now. Think of our universe as just one bubble in an endless cosmic foam. It sounds insane, right? But the math, the observations, they're starting to hint that our reality is just a tiny piece of an infinitely larger puzzle. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? If there are other universes out there, what does that say about this one? But even if we're just one bubble among many, what terrifying fate awaits our bubble? Because the universe isn't standing still. It's on a collision course with destiny, and how it ends is even more terrifying than you think. This brings us face to face with our next astonishing theory, the ultimate fate of the universe. Will it expand forever, growing colder and emptier until the last star flickers out and everything dissolves into nothingness? That's the chilling idea of heat death, or the violent big rip that could tear atoms apart. Or, could gravity win? Could everything eventually slam back together in a fiery, unimaginable big crunch, perhaps restarting the whole cosmic cycle in a big bounce? Picture the possibilities: an endless, frozen silence, or a violent, destructive collapse that rewrites existence. The sheer scale of these potential endings is enough to keep you up at night. The universe has a story, and its final chapter is still being written. Speaking of stories, imagine if there were secret passages through the universe, hidden shortcuts connecting impossible distances. Because there might be. Enter the bizarre world of wormholes. These aren't just sci-fi fantasy, they're theoretical tunnels in the fabric of space-time itself. Think of folding a piece of paper and poking a hole through it. A wormhole could be that shortcut through the vast, unfolded paper of the cosmos. This means tearing through space and time to instantly travel light years away, or perhaps even jumping through moments in time. While finding and using one is a slight technical challenge, the fact that they're even theoretically possible under Einstein's physics is absolutely wild. It makes you look at the night sky and wonder what hidden pathways lie between the stars. But traveling the cosmos is one thing. What if the maps we're using are almost entirely blank? Because most of the universe is, quite literally, invisible. Prepare for a shock. Approximately 95% of the entire universe is made of stuff we can't see, touch, or directly detect. We're talking about dark matter and dark energy. Think about that. Everything you've ever seen, every star, every planet, every galaxy, is just the visible 5%. Dark matter is the invisible glue holding galaxies together, giving them the extra gravitational pull they need not to spin apart. Dark energy is even more mysterious. It's the engine accelerating the universe's expansion, pushing everything further and further apart at an increasing speed. We know they're out there because we see their effects on the visible universe, but their true nature remains one of science's biggest puzzles. It's like knowing there's something huge in the next room because you can hear it moving things, but you can't open the door. Okay, if most of the universe is unseen, what does that say about the reality we do see? What if this reality isn't the primary one? This is where things get truly bizarre. Welcome to the holographic principle. This theory, born from studying black holes, suggests that our entire three-dimensional universe, every star, every planet, every single thing in it, might just be a projection of information stored on a distant, two-dimensional surface. Imagine our reality is like a cosmic hologram. Just as a 2D image on a credit card hologram can create a 3D illusion, maybe our 3D universe is being projected from data existing on a far-off 2D boundary. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but physicists are seriously exploring the possibility that the reality we inhabit is fundamentally a projection. If our reality is a projection, what happens at the edges? What happens where the rules break down completely? This leads us to the most extreme points in the cosmos, singularities. Think of the crushing heart of a black hole, or the infinitesimally small point from which our entire universe exploded into being, the Big Bang. A singularity is a point where matter is squeezed to infinite density, and gravity becomes infinite. Our understanding of physics, of space, and of time simply collapses at these points. We don't know what exists inside a singularity, or what was before the Big Bang singularity. They are the ultimate cosmic mysteries, places where the rules don't apply, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge to the absolute limit. So there you have them. 6 theories, each one designed to utterly blow your mind and leave you questioning the very nature of existence. From multiverses beyond count, to the universe's dramatic final act. From secret cosmic tunnels, to the invisible forces holding everything together and tearing it apart. From the possibility that reality is a hologram, to the breakdown of physics at singularities. The universe is not just vast, it's fundamentally strange, and infinitely more interesting than you might have thought. These ideas are the frontier of human knowledge, constantly challenging us to expand our minds. Now, it's your turn to explore further. As promised, you get to choose the topic for our next deep dive video. Out of these 6 mind-bending theories, multiverse theory, fate of the universe, wormholes, dark matter and dark energy, holographic principle, or singularities, which one do you want us to dedicate an entire video to? Let us know in the comments below. Seriously, your comment decides our next cosmic journey. If your mind is buzzing, if you feel that sense of cosmic awe, then smash that like button. And to keep questioning reality and exploring the universe's most fascinating secrets with us, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and keep wondering.